Hello my friends, how are you doing? Welcome back to another video in this channel. Let's wait for this thing to actually focus on my face. Thank you. So, how are you guys doing? Hopefully everyone's doing great. I've been flooded with work this past couple of weeks, which is a good thing because having work and doing interesting stuff is always, of course, super nice. But I've been very tired. I also took a couple of days off during the weekend to play the game that I've been talking about, the Xenoblades game, Xenoblades Chronicle 3. And yeah, so today there's a lot of very important announcements that I want to make. Some of them, of course, are more important than others, but let's just roll with this. First of all, for those of you guys that are not aware, this past Saturday, we had a little live stream. It was like an hour-long live stream. It was a Saturday morning for me, and it was a Saturday afternoon or night for most of you. And I think we had a great time. There was a lot of very cool questions and a lot of very cool information where we're doing the retopology. So remember, all of the live streams that we do are usually located in the live stream section of our channel. So if you go into the channel and go into the live streams, you're gonna find the July live stream. And actually, like, the schedule worked really well for me, so we're gonna do more of those. I can't promise that we're gonna have them every single weekend, but early morning on Saturday for me, it's usually chill, it's usually relaxed, so I can work on that. So I do want to have one this weekend, so we're gonna have a very nice live right here on Saturday the 6th. So let's calendarize everything here, because one thing that I've discovered in the last couple of months is the more you try to organize yourself, the easier it gets, because otherwise it's just a nightmare. So we're gonna have our live stream. I'm probably gonna be working either on the lighthouse, which I know we haven't worked on it in a while, or on the helmet if we don't finish it. I kind of want to like do a little bit of the helmet maybe tomorrow or Thursday, but we'll see how the schedule goes. The thing is, for those of you guys that are aware, we've been working on a lot of like BR stuff, and we actually presented today to the client one of the prototypes that we're working with, and they really liked it, but they want changes, right? Like, clients always want changes, they want to add more stuff. So I'm gonna be working today and tomorrow, Wednesday. Well, for you guys, you're watching the video on Wednesday, so Wednesday I'm going to be working all day to make sure that we get all the changes done, because they need it for Thursday. So, you know, clients always want changes, and they always want changes very fast. So yeah, that's part of the thing. Now, a lot of you guys have been asking about the portfolio reviews, and remember, we always have them. The link is already active, by the way. If you have gone to some of the older videos, you might have found that the link is already active. So in this video, if you go to the description of the video, you're gonna find the portfolio link, and you're welcome to submit your portfolio there so that we can take a look at the midpoint of this month. And there's one activity that I want to propose to you guys. So let me know in the comments what you think about this, because I've been trying to think about other things to do within modeling and sculpting and doing all that sort of stuff. And you guys know that I'm a special, like, my specialization, or my area of expertise is one specific part of the production pipeline. But there's so many other production pipeline things, and I'm trying to learn more stuff so that I can share them with you. But the problem is, with the day job and everything, it's a little bit difficult to try to learn new stuff and teach it, and it's just a mess. So one thing that I thought could be a good idea is if you guys submit it, but not only the portfolio, not only the image, but actually the files. And maybe I can work on top of those files and show you what I would do differently. Not necessarily better, because you guys have done amazing things, but what kind of things would I change or modify to get a different result? And I've seen some artists and some creators do this sort of stuff where they it's not only that they give critique, they actually like fix or modify things to make them look different. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, let me know, and I can record a video telling you about the instructions. We'll probably have like a separate folder for that. And we can do this throughout the month. Yeah, other than that, we're gonna have more courses releasing this month. I'm working on one right now for you guys. It's probably gonna be releasing on the last week. I'm not gonna spoil anything just yet. The one thing I can mention, it is gonna be character related, so I know a lot of people have been asking about characters. We're gonna be doing a very cool character on that one. And yeah, we are probably gonna have more live streams throughout the month. Let's say I'm trying to think, because I might be gone for a couple of weekends. but probably here we might have another live, either Saturday and Sunday, depending on the schedule. Again, we're gonna be working on the helmet and on the lighthouse, and not to brag, right? But my birthday is on the 30th. I'm gonna be 30 years old on the 30th this month, so let's do something interesting. Maybe not that specific day because I'm probably gonna be with my family, but maybe one day before or one day after we can do something, right? So let me know in the comments as well. What kind of things would be cool? I mean, we can do a live stream. I was thinking about doing like this challenge because it's 30 years, so I was thinking about, oh, what if we would do like one project throughout the month, like every single day. I needed to be realistic. I don't have the time to do that right now, but maybe like 3 projects to celebrate 30 years, you know, 333. So maybe one project this week, one project this week, and one project this week, and then we present all of them on the 30th. I don't know. Give me ideas, guys. Give me ideas on what kind of stuff you would like to see on this elements, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, I'm gonna show you the super quick. There's no more. There's gonna be a little bit of information after this very short commercial. But I just wanted to let you guys know that we're now taking questions on the actual videos on the sites that we usually sell the videos at. So if you have access to Udemy and Skillshare and stuff like that, and there is an option for comments, you can actually ask questions about the videos, not only on my videos, on every instructor's videos, and we're trying to get to all of the questions, right? So based on that, there was a question that someone asked on one of the ZBrush videos that I'm going to be talking about right after this commercial. Hey guys, Abraham here. I just wanted to remind you guys that we upload all of our courses to Skillshare. Skillshare is this amazing site where you can access a ton of different content to learn, improve, and grow as an artist. We have all of our courses available to watch and learn from right now in Skillshare. You can check the description down here, and Skillshare is offering 1 free month trial to their premium membership. With this membership, you're going to be able to access all of our courses and watch and learn all of the amazing things that we cover with all of the softwares. So, what are you waiting for? Check Skillshare down here below. So there you go. Today's video is going to be relatively short, but if you want to get more knowledge or you want to learn something new, make sure to check Skillshare. Make sure to use the link down below here to get some free days, and you're going to be able to learn something cool, not only from me, but from all of the other amazing instructors that are doing great courses. I just saw the one that we've released for the environment course. Oof, amazing. That's the kind of stuff that I want to learn as a kind of like a side project, because environments have always been super interesting to me, and I don't have that much experience doing like environments so complex as like the ones you see on that tutorial. So the question, it's a very common question, and it was about how to cut holes in your geometry. So there's different ways to cut holes, but in the ZBrush course that we have, the complete guide to ZBrush 2023, I believe it's called, or 2022, I use a method when doing the cheetah skull, which I think actually the cheetah skull is free on the channel. We released that one a couple of months ago. But it's a very common problem that students have whenever we use the insert multi-mesh brushes. So just a super quick reminder of how this brushes work. If you have a shape, say this thing right here, and I want to cut something like the eyeballs from here. Let's dynamesh this things first. There we go. If you go to your brushes, there's this IMM primitives, both the normal ones and the hard surface ones. So I'm going to go for these ones, and you can grab any of these ones. And the important point is here, don't forget, you need to press Alt. Okay, you need to press Alt first. And when you press Alt and you drag, you're going to get these weird looking shapes. You can then press W and move these shapes. And these spheres or whatever object you're trying to do will look like it's upside down, or like, it's not upside down. It's upside down, like inside out or something like that. So if you see the object like that, that means that you're doing the right thing, because when we release the mask by hitting Control and dragging out, and when we do Control and drag out again, that's when we're going to be able to remove a section of the element. So again, Alt to go into negative or subtraction mode, you draw something, you position it with the gizmo by pressing W wherever you want, and when you remove that and recalculate your dynamesh, that should take away from your shape. So this is really handy when we're doing, again, like holes. There's like this sort of like zygomatic arch that the cheetah skull has. So I'm doing something really fast right here. And again, we can just grab this, insert multi-primitives. So we can do one, again, Alt first. You draw one, and then you can push this one out. You can even scale it. like change the shape so that it goes through the object. So it's long enough to go through the object like this. There we go. And then when you recalculate, it's going to delete the hole. Again, very simple way to cut holes into your geometry. I know this is some very common knowledge for a lot of people that have been using ZBrush for a while, but for those of you that are starting to ZBrush, then this is a tip that you can't forget. Make sure to check that free video that we have in the channel. It was posted like a month back or something like that. And if not, check down Skillshare, check the ZBrush course, and that's it. Please give me ideas in the comments, guys. Let me know what we can do through this month, what kind of celebrations we could do. Let me know if the idea for the portfolio thing is good, like you submit a project that you finished, and then I show you what I would do or change to that project to make it different. And yeah, that's it, guys. Let me know what you think. Make sure to leave a like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you back on the next one. Bye bye.